Hi children, and the next topic is you have to form the quadratic equation using the sum and the product of the roots. So they will be giving you the sum of the roots and the product of the roots, and using these two things you have to find the quadratic equation. You have to make a quadratic equation. How to find this one? See, the first one is sum of the root and the second one is the product of the root. So what is the formula for the sum of the root? For the sum, the formula is this is for the in the case of quadratic equation, so you'll be having minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square, right? So see, minus of what is given here, 1 by 4. So minus of minus of 1 by 4. Clear children? And then product of the root is given, that is constant by coefficient of x square, which is equal to minus 1. See, here there is only numerator, no denominator. That means minus 1 by 1. Clear children? So what is this actually? What is the formula? See, if suppose if you can write the quadratic equation as ax square plus bx plus c. So the coefficient of x square is said to be a, the coefficient of x is said to be b, and the constant is c here. So the coefficient of x is said to be b, so you can write the formula as minus b by a, and this can be written as c by a, right? Now what is a actually? Here the a is 4. Here the a is 4 and b is 1. Because here they have given minus 1 by 4, which is equal to minus b by a. So a is equal to, what is a? A is equal to 4. That means 4x square. This polynomial I am writing here, 4x square. Next, what is the value of b? B is equal to 1. So plus 1x, and the value of c, here the value of a is 4, so you write the value of a is 1. Actually 1 means 4 by 4. That's why you got the answer as minus 1. Clear children? So the value of a is 4 and the value of c is minus 4. So minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation made using the sum and the product of the roots. Clear children? So if the two roots are given, that is the sum of the roots and the product of the roots are given, right? Sum is equal to the formula minus b by a and the product is equal to c by a, and write the required roots and then form the equation. Let me explain you one more sum. Let the roots be minus 1 by 4 and plus 1 by 4. So this is said to be the sum of the roots and this is the minus that is product of the root, right? Sum of the roots is equal to, formula is minus b by a, and product of the roots is equal to c by a. So right, which is equal to minus 1 by 4 and here it is equal to 1 by 4. So the value of a is 4, the value of b is, see, minus gets cancelled, so value of b is 1. So value of a is equal to 4, value of b is equal to 1, and the value of c is also equal to 1. Now how to write the equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So what is the value of a is 4. So 4x square plus what is the value of b is 1x plus c is 1, which is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. So using the two roots you can write the equation. That is the sum of the roots and the product of the roots will be given. Using that two things you have to form a quadratic equation. Clear children? This is one method. And then, so see, till now what all you all saw is verifying the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient in the case of quadratic equation, and how to find a quadratic equation using the sum and the product of the roots. Clear?